So only 3 or 4 months ago, we were thinking about the idea of getting probably a Tesla. We went for a test drive, thought that was great. So we set the process 3 months ago. We did a test drive, followed by contacting installation companies, of which Vanadium appeared to be the best one. We approached them, they gave us a quote, which we thought was good. We ordered the car and then ordered the charger. And during that process, the subject of solar panels came up, which wasn't a hard sell from Vanadium at all. But we thought about it, spoke to some neighbours and other people who'd had similar experiences and thought, well, it seemed a natural way to go. If you're going to spend that much money on a car or a charger, we might as well spend a bit more on solar panels for the whole shcaboodle. So that's what happened. The installation was reasonably seamless, and there was a few teething troubles in getting things sorted and done, but nothing unexpected or unreasonable. And communication with Vanadium was always good. And now here we are, fully installed and fully charging, and really enjoying the product and the service.